Capitalism is a scam, but unfortunately, it's not a scam that a lot of Black people are given the privilege of knowing about, much like that college scandal stuff. But this one's legal because it usually benefits white people. So why not make it beneficial for us until, capitalism grows out to its late stages and the stock market collapses and we get socialism. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheyenne and this is Cheyenne New. And today I'm going to talk about investing. So for those of you who don't know, I am a longtime college student. I'm also a part-time video production assistant. So I don't make much money. I have a lot of student loan debt, and that's how I can afford my nice apartment and my cute ass car. So something that I've been doing to make money on the side is investing in stocks. First, I began, I think it was like 2017, 2018, and I did like very small penny stocks. I was like, I'll do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I wasn't really trying to like break the bank. I think at most before this year, invested like $200 and I made about maybe $500 in total. And so I was thinking, with that stimulus money, we all have the chance to invest, just like LLC Twitter wants us to. From what I remember of my business classes back in 2015, there's a lot of ways to invest. Of course, I did a little bit of a refresher. Of all the ways to invest, stocks is the most risky way to invest because you are partaking in like a share of a public business. So there's a chance that everyone pulls out their money at once. There's a chance that they go bankrupt. And so there's a big chance of losing your money. Obviously, there's way safer ways to invest your money, such as if you have a good job, you can do a 401k, make sure they match whatever you contribute to the fund, you'll be good in retirement. A savings account sometimes gives you money back. There's also certificates of deposits. That's one of the safest ways to invest your money, especially if you're going in for the long term. But I have both long-term goals and short-term goals. So for that reason, I invested in stocks and mutual funds and one cryptocurrency. Now, unlike what the Wolf on Wall Street led you to believe, you do not need to hire a broker. You do not need to go on the dark web. It's very easy to invest nowadays. There's apps that you can use commission-free. The biggest ones are like Acorn and Robinhood. The thing about investing in stocks, whether you do it yourself or you hire other people to do it for you, is that the stock market pretty much has like a 70% chance of profit. So you pick 5 stocks, there's a pretty good chance that at least 3 of those stocks will provide a profit. But there's a good chance that 2 of them won't, which is why it's the most risky way to invest. And when I say short-term investments, I don't really mean like a week, though of course you could do that. But it's harder to find those you have to really keep an eye on several, maybe even 100 stocks to know which one to invest in that would create a high return in a week. That would just be insane. Now, what I found in looking through investments, how to invest 101, no one is willing to tell you what they invested in, but I am not no one. So I'm going to tell you a few of the stocks that I follow so that you have an idea of what to look for, some trends and things like that. Basically, I'm going to tell you how I use the app. So on Robinhood, you can invest in stocks, index funds, cryptocurrency, partial stocks. If you don't have $300 to invest in Apple, then you can buy 1/8 of Apple, and then you're still going to get that profit margin. So one of the first stocks that I looked into was Yamana Gold, when I first started investing back in 2017, 2018. My free stock that I got was Groupon, which I honestly should have kept, but I was like, give me my money. Um, because I didn't understand long-term investment. My biggest risk with Robinhood right now is investing heavy into AMC Entertainment with the hopes that they do not go bankrupt during this pandemic. I'm hoping that they find the $750 million that they need to get through 2021, and that next couple of years, my shares will explode. Now, not to be a Republican, but I am also invested in Bank of America. Yes, capitalism sucks, but Bank of America is such a staple in the financial institutions that I really can't see it going anywhere in the next 10 years, which means that it's going to be a very good investment for me in the next 10 years. I do have a goal of starting my own comedy club, which requires property, which requires a lot of capital. So girls gotta do what girls gotta do. Last year, I took my investments one step further by investing in an index ETF. That's basically when, instead of buying and selecting my own stocks, my cat is moving, I have invested in a small group of stocks that someone else has chose. So that basically it helps my percentages. It's a higher chance of going up because basically each stock has a 70% chance of succeeding. So the more that you invest in, the more chances of profit. That's how the rich get richer. And then of course I have my newest investment of 2021, Dogecoin. What's really crazy about Dogecoin is that I first heard about Dogecoin as a thing back in 2013. Obviously, I was too young to invest personally, and I didn't really know what stocks were, so I didn't really care. But now that I'm an adult, investing in whatever companies I want to, you best believe I care about Doggy and the founders of the joke. I live for the long con. I live for the bit. I know this sounds ridiculous, but here's the plan. I invested $10 on Dogecoin, and I expect that in 20 years it'll be worth some major coin or 10 cents. And that's the risk I'm willing to take. Some other stocks that I keep an eye on just to see if I can buy them low and then sell them high, just for a quick turnaround for quick cash, are Adobe. They're kind of at 500 right now, so I'm really hoping that it falls soon. Rite Aid, I bought them at $13 a stock and I sold them at about 21, so that was a pretty good fast turnover. I'm also looking at Beyond Meat, but they've been steadily falling, so I don't know when's a good time to get in there. I'm still checking it out. And then lastly, I have the one that got away, Twitter. I looked at it back when it was about $38 a stock, and now it's at 54, and I really missed my chance, but I was nervous. And now I don't know if it's worth it. What if this is the highest it's ever going to be and then I lose my money? And I just don't want to do that because I'm already taking such a big chance on AMC. So yeah, that's me on investing. Really, you should check out Robinhood. If you have $20 to invest, then you have $20 to gain. But remember, buy low, sell high. Look at the trends of the stock before you buy it. Don't invest more than you can stand to lose at this present time. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you're going to invest your stimulus check or if you're going to buy some Air Jordans. Are you going to invest your stimulus check now that you know that there's an easy option? Let me know if you do or don't. It's your business. Either way, have a good day. Know that my link is down in the description below. And bye.